Welcome everybody. So welcome to another video. So how you can switch your user? You can see here we have a user. It's called test. Okay. You can see the test user. Okay. When you click the user, okay, and you can see the three dot here and click on three dots. You can see here two options: sign out and switch user. When you sign out, the user process will continuously stop. Okay, the when you sign out, the user process will stop. Okay, and when you switch user, the user process will continue running. Okay, so just you have to switch user. Okay, you don't want to sign out, so switch user. When you switch user, you can see we have two users here, the first test and second Raj. Okay, so I'll put my password here and you can see I have successfully logged in with my Raj user. Okay, so that's it for today and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here.